Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sir DL and welcome to JLian's Vlog and Math Tutorials. For today, we are going to talk about division of fractions. Our lesson for today is all about division of fractions. Our objectives for today, number one, discuss division of fractions. Number two, solve division of fractions. Number one, discuss division of fractions. And number two, solve division of fractions. Always remember, if you don't learn from your mistakes, there's no sense making them. If you don't learn from your mistakes, there's no sense making them. What are the general rules in dividing fractions? Number one, get the reciprocal of the divisor, then proceed to multiplication rule. Again, get the reciprocal of the divisor, then proceed to multiplication rule. The next step, multiply the numerators to get the value of the numerator. Again, multiply the numerators to get the value of the numerator. Number three, multiply the denominators to get the value of the denominator. Multiply the denominators to get the value of the denominator. And the last one will be find the lowest term. We find the lowest term. Let's try this one. What is 2/5 divided by 1/2? Let's follow the rules. Number one, get the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, 1/2 is our divisor. So when we say reciprocal, the numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. So 1/2 will become 2/1. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2/1. Then we will be proceeding to multiplication. Next step, multiply the numerators to get the value of the numerator. Multiply the numerators to get the value of the numerator. 2 multiplied by 2, the answer is 4. 2 multiplied by 2, the answer is 4. Next one, multiply the denominators to get the value of the denominator. Multiply the denominators to get the value of the denominator. 5 multiplied by 1, that is 5. The next step, find the lowest term. Since 4/5 is in the lowest term, our final answer is 4/5. Again, the main rules for division of fractions are get the reciprocal of the divisor. 1/2 is our divisor. If you want to reciprocate it, we will be putting the numerator to the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. From 1/2, it will become 2/1. Then we proceed to multiplication. 2 times 2, that is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. That's why the answer is 4/5. 2/5 divided by 1/2 is 4/5. I'm sorry. Next example. 6 divided by 9. 6/9 divided by 2/3. 6/9 divided by 2/3. We will be getting the reciprocal of 2/3. What is the reciprocal of 2/3? The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. The numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. 2/3 will become 3/2. Then we proceed to multiplication rule. We will be multiplying the numerators to get the value of the numerator. 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18. Then we will be multiplying the denominators to get the value of the denominator. 9 multiplied by 2, that is 18. Then we will be finding the lowest term. What is the lowest term of 18/18? 18 divided by 18, that is 1. That's why our final answer is 1. 6/9 divided by 2/3, the answer is 18/18 or 1. Let's have another example. 7/10 divided by 3/2. Our first rule is to get the reciprocal of the divisor. The reciprocal of 3/2 is, very good, 2/3. The numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. The reciprocal of 3/2 is 2/3. Then we proceed to the multiplication rule. Multiply the numerators to get the value of the numerator. 7 times 2, that is 14. Then we will be multiplying the denominators to get the value of the denominator. 10 multiplied by 3, the answer is 30. So our answer is 14 over 30. Then we find the lowest term. I think 14 over 30 has lowest term because both numbers are divisible by 2. Very good. 14 divided by 2, that is 7. 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Our final answer is 7 over 15. 7 over 10 divided by 3 over 2 is 14 or over 30 or 7 over 15. Next example. Try this one. I'll give you enough time to solve this problem. 5 over 10 divided by 4 over 5. Always remember the first step is to get the reciprocal of the divisor, then proceed to multiplication rule, wherein you multiply the numerators to get the value of the numerator, and you multiply the denominators to get the value of the denominator, then we find the lowest term. I'll give you enough time to solve this problem. Okay, let's solve this problem all together. We will be getting the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 4 over 5, and the reciprocal of 4 over 5, wherein the numerator will become the denominator, and the denominator will become the numerator. The reciprocal of 4 over 5 is 5 over 4. Then we proceed to multiplication. We will be multiplying the numerators. 5 times 5, that is 25. We will be multiplying the denominators and multiply by 4, that is 40. 5 times 5, 25. 10 times 4, it's 40. Then we find the lowest term. I think 25 over 40 has lowest term because both numbers are divisible by, very good, both numbers are divisible by 5. That's why 25 divided by 5, that's 5. 40 divided by 5, that is 8. So the final answer is 5 over 8. 10, 5 over 10 divided by 4 over 5, the final answer is 5 over 8. Next example, you try this one again on your own. 9 over 8 divided by 2 over 3. What is 9 over 8 divided by 2 over 3? I'll be giving you enough time to solve this problem. Okay, let's solve this problem. We will be getting the reciprocal of our divisor, which is 2 over 3. And the reciprocal of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. Very good. We will be getting the reciprocal of 2 over 3, which is 3 over 2. Next one, we proceed to the multiplication rule. We will now be multiplying 9 times 7, 9 times 3, that is 27. 8 multiplied by 2, that is 16. Very good. Because we will be multiplying 9 times 3, 27. 8 times 2, that is 16. 27 over 16 is an improper fraction. That's why we will be getting its mixed number. 27 over 16 is equal to 1 and 11 over 16. That's why our final answer is 1 and 11 over 16. I already uploaded how to change improper fraction to mixed number. You can check my previous videos. Okay, let's have another example. 4 over 5 divided by 1 over 3. What is 4 over 5 divided by 1 over 3? We will be following the first rule. Get the reciprocal of the divisor. 1 over 3, the reciprocal of 1 over 3 will be 3 over 1 because the numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. Then we proceed to multiplication rule. Always remember that. We will now be multiplying both numerators. 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. Then we will be multiplying both denominators to get the value of the denominator. 5 multiplied by 1, that is 5. Since 12 over 5 is an improper fraction, we will be getting its mixed number. So if you will be converting 12 over 5 to mixed number, that will be 2 and 2/5. 4 divided by 5 divided by 1/3 is equal to 2 and 2/5. Again, the general rules for dividing fractions are get the reciprocal of the divisor. From 1 over 3, it will become 3 over 1. Then proceed to multiplication rule. Then multiply the numerators to get the value of the numerator. We multiply the denominators to get the value of the denominator. Then we simplify or we find the lowest term. I hope you understood our lesson for today. All right, we're finished. Always remember, mathematics will always remind us that in every problem, there is a solution. Students always find solutions to your problem. Always remember, mathematics will always remind us that in every problem, there is a solution. Thank you for watching and God bless you all. See you on our next tutorials. Bye!